You moved out of the viewing range. Huh? I can't move. I'm stuck.
Underprepared in terms of tanks, in terms of naval vessels, who had to build these things and had to build them very, very quickly. At the forefront of the manufacturing boom is Hoover Dam builder Henry Kaiser. He essentially takes what Ford had done with automobiles. They create an assembly line production. They could build these very quickly. There's one ship he builds in about